y'all. I am trying to think of one last hairstyle to do to my hair before my hair appointment. It is Monday. I get my hair done on Saturday, so I gotta go like a couple more days without my hair done. I do not like when my hair is like this. And yes, I know like your hair is pretty in its most natural state, which would be this, but I like that put together, sleek, slick, edges laid down. Yeah, that's my vibe. So it's been well over a month. I usually do not wait longer than 5 to 6 weeks to get my hair done. I am running to the chair when Saturday morning gets here. Y'all, it's dirty. I got mad dandruff. I don't know if y'all could see it, but yeah, I'm starting to get gray hair. Also just did my lashes, y'all. Stop by my Amazon storefront. You might see a couple of things that you like. These are definitely more dramatic than I'm used to, but I think I like them. We are going to go through Pinterest, some inspo, because I have no clue what I want to do to my hair. I don't want to do 2-strand twists. I'm giving the 2 strands a break, but like if I don't do nothing else, I'm gonna run to that because it's the easiest. I'm gonna try something else. I just don't know what yet. Give y'all some inspo pages to follow. Just keep in mind though, some of these pages are stylists, so some of the styles that they have on their page you might not be able to achieve at home. I'll run through this style that I tried yesterday, which was the fishtail braids. Liked it, but I think it was just how I did it that looked a little awkward to me, so I took it out. So I was like, since I'm already playing in my hair, I might as well go ahead, turn on a little vloggy vlog. I'm about to see if I can achieve this fishtail braid look, and then we'll take it from there. It's the middle of the day and I done got hungry, so I'm snacking on cake from a couple of nights ago. It was my godmom's birthday, so happy birthday to her. We threw her a surprise dinner and it was so nice and so fun. And I'm still eating on this cake because it was so much cake. So yeah, I'm about to watch something on the tablet and try this hairstyle.
Video, but my realtor was able to provide these pictures. I'm so grateful for the support both him and my dad was throughout the closing day process. This was an amazing time for me. I didn't get much video, like I said, and my mom's reactions. Only that, it won't be a review video. How to save money, how to budget, how to build credit, all those. I love it here. I've been here for almost 2 years now. My first full year, I lived in a high-rise, a townhouse, just because it kind of fits my lifestyle a little bit more for the current stage of life that I'm in. I love my kitchen, and the bathroom and the kitchen are basically like the selling pieces for me. I love how modern it is. It is beautiful. The rest of this content is filmed on my phone, but this is a 5-bedroom, 1,100 square foot. This is the first room here.
Scorpion, out now. Yeah. Look, you know how the pagan chit chat goes. I like R's and B's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. With rocks with highs and lows. We seen man last night, they froze. With no cameras, with no pose. Just like that one time I know who. Good thing, man, I'm pulling out phones. Think you know me, that's not true. We got guys and we sent two. She came over and she got slew. Throwing up 6 like man have flu. I got way too big off views. Back to the basics, I won't lose. They wanna link when they got no tunes. They too worried about selling out shoes. I don't give a fuck about jeans or crap. Or going to Milan or going to the Met. I just wanna make these songs for the set. I just wanna load that and let that wet. I got so much things in the stats. Rolled up, anyone done that clash. Got no sense like jizz and shit. Big and bad like lead and shit. Can't do love, they got
maybe I just needed to get on camera and do it with y'all, because yesterday I didn't really like it. I felt like it was super chunky looking. God, look at my roots. And I just need to lay my edges down. But that's a braid. And I didn't quite do like a tutorial because I didn't even know if y'all really needed or wanted that. I like it. People that wear wigs with like, wow, my bad. I ain't mean to zoom y'all in. Don't mind my daughter's junky room in the background that I'm gonna make them clean when they get home. let's go ahead and go through IG and Pinterest so I can give y'all some like inspo pages to follow. I'm back. It's days later. I did end up taking out the style. Y'all, my roots are throwing me off. Like, I'm definitely stuck on some type of fishtail braid or braids whenever I get my hair done. But I went on Pinterest and I feel like they have a lot of people with nice locks on there. But as far as trying to find just like diversity with hairstyles, it just wasn't given. As far as like finding a lot of different hairstyle ideas, Pinterest wasn't really given. It was like a lot of different ponytails, different colored hair, red hair, just colorful locks, and then you had a lot of the lock bobs. So I do think I want to save the lock bob for later in the summer, even though I'm real tempted to go ahead and get it because I really miss and love the lock bob. But yeah, for this look, I just want my hair down, like longer. So I'm gonna save the bob for probably the next time I get my hair done. I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on to some pages that I think you should follow on Instagram just for hairstyles. I haven't done anything else to my hair since last time I saw y'all. I did just look at the edges, look at the roots, so puffy, curly, just, I cannot wait to get my hair done Saturday. Like when people get that like ponytail that sits kind of high and then they have the locks kind of just hanging from the ponytail, I think it's cute on other people, but I do not think that it would be cute on me. So I don't know, it's like I'm tempted to try it, but I'm scared because then I'm gonna be mad because like I have to pay her for doing the style, but then I'm gonna want to take it out if I don't like it. So I don't know, I might experiment with that another time at home. Oh, and now that my hair is down, I could give y'all a proper length check. Don't do me because I have really bad back acne and it likes to be the star of the show. So yeah, we just gonna act like we don't even see it. But here is a length check. I feel like it's, for the most part, since I cut it, it has grown back evenly like a blunt cut. And I honestly don't want it to be a blunt cut anymore. So I'm hoping that it starts growing a little unevenly to where it's more like layers. But yeah, that's where we are. When I cut it, literally it was like sitting at the top of my butt crack. So we ain't too far from it now. 2 years later, literally I had cut it to here. So that is what primarily leaving my hair alone has done for me. The styles that I do, y'all, they're really simple. In between, my go-to is like a half up, half down, or a side part ponytail or middle part ponytail. And then I gotta have the edges laid. You follow me on Instagram so you can see the looks. Yeah, I'm trying to take a break from the 2 strands, and I also want to wait to do a bob. That's primarily what I'm seeing on Pinterest. So yeah, if y'all have any suggestions for me as far as styles that you would like to see me in, feel free to drop a comment. You know, I'm not too good to read comments and to talk back to y'all and respond. It never gave that. Comment what you think I should try, because I don't know. I really wasn't finding anything. If I go on Instagram and I see something, I'll put it on the screen or I'll let y'all know. But next video, we will be asking my stylist some questions that I wasn't able to answer for y'all in the Q&A video, such as like what she uses when she retwists my hair. And you know, we're gonna sprinkle some more goodies in that video, so stay tuned for that. And I will see y'all soon. Morning, y'all. Once again, it's days later. It's actually the day before I get my hair done. Came to a conclusion. I'ma just go ahead, jump out the window, and try this hairstyle that I've been so scared to try. I do not know if I'm gonna be able to get used to like my hair sticking up like that, but it might turn out fire. Do y'all think I should try that hairstyle or go with like something down in like a fish braid going to the back or somewhere in the top. If for any reason it starts to feel heavy on my neck, or I just can't like get used to how it looks, then I am going to take it down and do the fishtail braid. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video will be me getting my hair done, trying the hairstyle. We will be asking my hairstylist some questions that I wasn't able to answer for y'all. Y'all love me a good kombucha. But yeah, and this is also what I meant when I was saying, like, if I'm just lounging around, sometimes I don't want my hair on my neck, so I'll have on a bonnet. I couldn't find my really long one, but this one is from this black owned brand. I cannot remember her name, but she sent me this like maybe a year or so ago. So yeah, when y'all send stuff, I really do be keeping it. I hope that y'all enjoyed and could use my recommendations as far as like pages and inspo to follow and look at and possibly try out. Let me know what else y'all would like to see, and we will see y'all shortly.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't Uber right at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First, let me hit that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty,
Alright, I was rushing and I still made it here on time. My lashes look crazy. First of all, good morning. It is currently 9:28 a.m. and I'm ready to get this head done. I'm ready for her to scrub it real good, get all that water up in there. Woo. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next video because it's gonna be the hair reveal. I am again nervous and excited, but yeah, thank you if you made it all the way to the end. Thank you for tuning in. Of course, I need y'all to make sure that you subscribe and turn your bell on because yeah, see y'all in the next one.